for this and let it double in size. I poured it into a different container from this cup. This is how much I had left. So it wasn't quite 2.5 cups. See? Hey guys, we're back. Here's what the dough looks like. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and bring it out. Now it didn't say the recipe did not call to flour the surface, so I'm hoping this will be working all right. This will work out all right. I'm just going to take the dough out. Take the dough right out onto your counter, and we're going to portion it up. Cut it into 8s. That's for the bigger type buns. So here's kind of how I do mine. I just kind of make a little log type thing. And then I get my trusty scraper and I go ahead and cut. Now, when I hold them in my hands to make the rolls, I might have to borrow some dough off of here because you see that's kind of small. And then I'll portion them up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I portioned them up just by weight. You just kind of pick the dough up and feel it. You know, if it feels heavier than this piece, then you give a little bit here, a little bit there. Now we're going to roll them into balls. I'm just going to try to show you with one hand. And we're going to put these balls on parchment paper. If you have a baking stone, the recipe said she does it by a baking stone. But I don't. So that's how we're going to do ours. So the recipe didn't call for this, but I like to add just a teeny tiny bit of cornmeal to the bottom, real lightly. This just gives your buns time to not stick. Now you're going to do that with all the pieces. Okay, so here's what I do. I'm just going to show you like this. So you get it on your counter, you flatten it out, and then you bring the corners in and you roll it like this inward towards your body till you get a nice roll. Then once you get it in your hand, kind of squeeze it and then roll it like this. It's kind of like you're pinching. That's how I do mine. Just keep doing that till you get it nice round shape. And then there you go.